WireWorks WireLUX audio cable has been considered the one that people strive for. What do I mean by that? Take for instance WireLUX. With 10 resistor colors, WireLUX is the most flexible, full-size, 100% shielded microphone cable available. But it has an added feature. Let me show you. We all know what it's like trying to terminate a microphone cable. You cut it to length. The next thing that happens is you have to take the jacket off and deal with the braid and unpick it and make sure everything is right. It takes ages. With WireLUX, however, we cut it to length, and with a very basic automatic stripper, we take the jacket and the shield off all in one, and by just taking the ends off the conductors, you're all ready to terminate. It's the 1-second strip. A most flexible microphone cable plus the 1-second strip. How can you beat that?